How to make concrete molds for pavers. Let's go through the important details. First, how to make concrete molds for pavers. Use silicone or urethane rubber. Build a master paver out of wood/clay, then pour rubber over it to make the mold. Additionally, quick answer, for best results, prepare the surface properly, use quality materials, and allow adequate cure time. Most DIY concrete projects are achievable with proper planning. Regarding how to make concrete molds for pavers, complete guide. Making molds for concrete pavers requires the right materials and process. Use silicone or urethane rubber for the mold material. Build a master paver out of wood or clay, then pour rubber over it to make the mold. Understanding this process helps you create custom paver molds. On step 1, build master paver. Use wood, carve or build master from wood. Additionally, exact shape. Master should be exact shape desired. Smooth finish. Smooth surface creates smooth pavers. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.